Eminyakeni emithathu edlule, uMpofu wabe eyingxenye yezithunywa okwakukhona kuzo uMalema ezaba nomhlangano noZuma eNkandla. Osibhinca Makhasana bathi lo mhlangano wabe uyilitulo lokuketula umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa nokubulala iqembu lakhe. Emva kweminyaka emithathu uRamaphosa usamile. Esikhundleni salokhu kulimala uMalema ne-EFF ngenxa yokuvela kweqembu elisha likaZuma.
Everything I'm telling you now, he knew about, and at least the top leadership of the EFF. As I've just explained to you, I chaired meetings of leaders that included the leadership of the EFF in those meetings when we were still at the covert or underground stage. So if he was finding it out today like you, then he might feel that way. But no, at all given times, I kept the leadership of the EFF abreast, and as I say, invited them to all those meetings.
Esikhathini esiyilisonto ngaphambi kokuqembuka kukaMpofu, i-MK Party yahlabana ngoFloyd Shibambu. Emva kwesikhashana nje uShibambu usengunobhala jikelele weqembu lakhe elisha i-MK Party.
The appointment is a humbling experience. It's also a statement of saying that we should play the role that more or less we have been playing together with the recently outgone Secretary General Dr. Siso Maseko, who did exceptionally very well.
Engena nje kulesi sikhundla uShibambu uphike wama ngentaba ukuthi nguyena owashelela eqenjini uMpofu, Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane kanye noMzwanele Manyi.
They joined Umkhonto weSizwe by themselves out of their own political consciousness, out of their own appreciation that they believe that Umkhonto weSizwe will play an important role and that they will make the necessary contribution. It is not my individual achievement. These are adults. These are people who have got huge political history. I mean, Advocate Mpofu, for instance, will be next year 50 years as an activist. Mzwanele Manyi has played several roles. He was a Director General at some stage in his life. He had been a member of parliament. He was a president or chairperson of the Black Management Forum. Advocate Mkhwebane is an accomplished individual.
Akucaci-ke ukuthi kazi izokuba njani impi yonobhala jikelele balamaqembu, kepha i-EFF nakanjani izoguqula konke lokhu uma isikhetha ubuholi bayo obusha engqungqutheleni yayo ngoZibandlela.